Edochie confessed that her is under a spell as divorced finally confirmed in court. Dear listeners, what we watch in Nollywood and other entertainment industry is becoming real in the life of legend actors. The case of Edochie is not left out. Initially her thought it was a joke for May to file for divorce after his intention of bringing in another wife. Today, he is calling on the whole world to help him beg May not to proceed with divorce. In several occasions, he has begged May Edochie and has even gone to an extent of making lots of promises. It's too late for him as May Edochie has made up her mind for divorce. Too late Hult. From a reliable source, the divorce procedure shall be finalized in the days ahead. Yul is actually regretting, but it's too late for him. Dear listeners, how did all this start? For those who do not know the story, let me brief you a while. As we go on, dear listeners, remember to subscribe to our timely infos so as not to miss our other interesting videos coming next. May Edochie officially files for divorce. Make no mistake about it, Yul and Judy are not husband and wife and cannot be so until Yul and May are divorced. It is a combination of delusion and absurdity for the two to call themselves husband and wife yet. Edochie unveiled Judy Austin as his second wife in April 2022 after they welcomed a son. Since the announcement, they have continuously been on the social media radar for one controversy or the other. After keeping calm through the controversies and the death of their son, his first wife, May Edochie, has finally taken legal action against the duo. On Tuesday, a law firm, DPA Family Clinic, disclosed the legal charges Mrs. Edochie is filing against Yul and his second wife. Understanding the reality of it revealed more about Yul and Judy's controversial union. Mr. Edochie wrote, to avoid doubts, May Edochie filed a divorce petition against Yul. She also filed against Judy as a party cited, asking for 100 million nairas in damages against Judy for adultery with her husband. Make no mistake about it, Yul and Judy are not husband and wife and cannot be so until Yul and May are divorced. It is a combination of delusion and absurdity for the two to call themselves husband and wife yet. He added. The legal practitioner further revealed that Mrs. Edochie is represented in court by Femi Falana's firm and Edochie Group, while DPA plays the support role. Avoiding legal process. In the statement, Mr. Edochie revealed that Yul and his second wife received copies of the suit papers, which means they are aware of the lawsuit against them. However, the duo is said to be avoiding the service of the process despite their awareness. The legal practitioner also disclosed that the court bailiff tried many times to serve them following the court rules, but they evaded the service of the court process. He stated, despite the braggadocio and the social media stunts, Yul Edochie and Judy are facing serious legal challenges, and they seem ill-prepared for them, given that they have been evading service of process. In addition to the substantive petition, May also filed for an order of court restraining Yul from accessing their former marital home. That application is based on the fact that there are genuine security and safety concerns. Explaining reasons for the restriction order, the author allegedly noted that Yul's behavior has been erratic, irrational, aggressive, and increasingly threatening. Mr. Edochie further said that the actor is allegedly not acting on his will and may have been under some influence. However, he noted that it is yet to be ascertained whether or not Yul was under the influence. Regardless, it assured that the appropriate measures are in place to protect his first and second wife and their children. On Tuesday, a video of the controversial lovebirds Yul and his second wife surfaced online. The extended video captured Yul's second extolling him in Igbo and English. She continuously hypes her husband, mainly calling him Odogwu, while he nods in affirmation. The actress described her husband as a good man and dared naysayers who think otherwise to come and try her husband. She boasted that he was the best man with a good heart. In reaction to the video, Mr. Edochie, in his piece, also addressed what transpired before the alleged ego-massaging video they posted. He wrote, "Last weekend, against all advice, Yul attempted to access the home, now occupied alone by May and her children. But he was stopped by the intervention of law enforcement. He was reminded that henceforth, all issues involving his marriage to May and dealings in that regard are sub judice. He should consult his lawyer when and if he hires one and be guided by such a lawyer. Mr. Ugwinai also noted that after the encounter, it was unsurprising to hear that Yul and Judy would be on social media in a comic display where Judy showers Yul with unfettered adulation. It is understandable that he would need such extreme ego massage, he added. Confirmation. During a phone conversation, Mr. Ugwinai told Premium Times on Wednesday that he is not in the best position to give media statements, primarily due to the judge's order. He highlighted why he could not speak on the divorce details or the legal strategies. He said, "On the May Yul Edochie matter, we do not wish to make any statement beyond the note we posted yesterday on our Facebook page. I would not like to speak about the litigation strategies for 3 reasons. Firstly, Femi Falana is the leader and should be the one to do that. Secondly, the judge admonishes the parties to avoid undue media commentaries. Thirdly, it is generally not our client's interest to disclose her plans and strategies in advance. We intend to honor that warning," he added. The legal practitioner said Mr. Falana's firm is leading the case while Edochie is the junior partner in the team. Mr. Ugwinai further noted that the statement he posted was made on behalf of the DPA Family Law Clinic, an organ of the DPA International Foundation. The story is very long, but I hope you have an idea of what this divorce is all about between this two. What do you have to say to what is happening? Maybe your comments can go a long way to play a great role in their life during this hard time of theirs. Remember the consequences on the children they both have. What become of their future with separate parents? Food for thought. Thanks for watching.